Hey guys, welcome to another quick tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how to buy a phone from Alibaba. So at first you want to head over to Google and search for Alibaba just like so, and then click on the first link that comes up. Now let's say you want maybe the brand new iPhone, so we click for iPhone, and then you see all of these that will come up. Basically this first one seems to be the only one, the rest of these are not just phone. So we click on this one just like so, and then you have to check all of the order details. So you can see this one, it has like a minimum order quantity for 10 pieces, and if you want to buy it you need to click on start order request, and then you need to choose the color, and then grade, which grade do you want, and then the storage, everything, and then click on complete order request or select product quantity. So let's say we do that just like so. We've ordered I think around 10, 11, 12. After that you need to sign in, or if you haven't, you need to join Alibaba right over here, and once you do, you click on that. Then it's going to ask you for the payment procedure and everything, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.